Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take your NameCheap domain and insert it into ClickFunnels. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to NameCheap. We're going to show you how to, first of all, link your CNAME and your URL redirect, and then I'll show you how easy it is to put it into ClickFunnels, guys. So with that being said, I'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, welcome back. So let's get into it here. First thing we want to do, guys, is just go to NameCheap. All right, like so. Now I assume you've already got your domain in NameCheap. If you haven't, guys, it's very, very straightforward. I might make a video about that and just guide you along the way, but assuming you've already done that. So go to domain list here on the left. And then on the right here, we want to click Manage. Then click on Advanced DNS. All right, so now we want to scroll down to CNAME. So if you guys want to know what exactly CNAME is all about, is one of the main uses of a CNAME record is to point a domain that you own through one company to the servers of some other provider if you have created a website with the latter. This way, the website will appear under your own domain name, not under some subdomain provided by the third-party provider. Okay, so it's going to show that it's yours. Whoops. All right, guys, so we're going to go down and we're going to click on this. Now, we want to scroll down to CNAME here. So we clicked on that. Okay. So guys, add new record. There we go. Now we're going to scroll down to CNAME record right there. Okay. And then down here in the host, guys, you're going to want to type in www. Oops. And then over here, you want to type in targetclickfunnels.com like so. And you want to leave that as automatic, and then you just want to save changes, check that. Now we're going to, if there is something called parkingpage.com, parkingpage.namecheap.com, guys, that is here for a default, you can just delete that. I've already done this, so I may have already deleted it the first time I did it, but if you do see something called parkingpage.namecheap.com, just delete that. Now we're going to add our URL redirect, once again under CNAME record. So we're going to add a CNAME record. Now we're going to go to the bottom, URL redirect record. Okay, under host, this time we're going to type in the @ and under the value, we're going to just put in our domain that we recently purchased through NameCheap. So you're going to go https:// and then for this particular example, mine would be profit launchers, guys. That is .com. That is a product that my partner and I, Sulek Tigala, we created to help new and struggling affiliates learn how to make steady commissions without having to pay any membership fees. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link down in the description below, guys. And if you're getting value from this, please like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that bell button for more notifications on how to make money, how to use ClickFunnels, affiliate marketing, etc. Anyways, guys, now keep on going here and scroll down to down here, guys. We want permanent 301. Okay, and then we're going to save the changes like so. Okay, and now this could link up immediately into your ClickFunnels, but it might take up to 2, even 3 days, depending on the system, if it's got a back check or anything like that. So now what we would do, guys, we would go to our ClickFunnels and we would go under our account settings. All right. And then, guys, over here, we would have domains. So we'll click on domains and then add a new domain. Now, if you want to register a domain through ClickFunnels, you would do it here, and you would come up with a list. But this is for this example, we want to use an existing domain, okay? And then you would type it in here. So if I type in mine profit launchers, it's not going to work because it's already in here. If I just say add, it's not going to work, but yours will work. See, sorry, the domain profitlaunchers.com is already in use, okay? But this is because I've already done that, so don't worry about that. But for you, it's going to work. Now, guys, if just on a side note, if you wanted to put in a domain from ClickFunnels, I might make a video about that, but my purpose of this video is to use a domain from an external source. For this example, it was NameCheap, how you can add the CNAME, the redirect URL, and how you can insert that into ClickFunnels. So I hope you got some value. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell. Like I say, down below you can find more information about me, my website, KeironGHogg.com, and of course the Profit Launchers link if you're interested in that. Also, I've got other information down in the description that please you can check out. You can get some good knowledge. My website has lots of videos. My YouTube channel has lots of videos that you can learn from. And until then, guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Take care. Keiron Hogg. Talk to you soon.